Road Safety Week is a chance for all of us to stop and reflect on the needless deaths and serious injuries that we see on our roads every day. Here at the Combined Authority, we're committed to using cutting-edge technology to make our roads safer. That's why we've been especially proud to partner with VivaCity, who put forward AI-powered cameras that can detect when there are near misses between people using the road. We've been using this technology for a study in Grange Road in Coventry, where we found there was a significant number of near misses between pedestrians, cyclists and motorists. As a result of our findings in this study, we've put forward some improvements to the junction, narrowing its width and also installing a pedestrian refuge in the middle of it to keep people safer as they cross. And what we found is that these interventions have significantly reduced the number of near misses that those cameras are picking up. We are intervening before tragedy strikes. We're not waiting for someone to be hit by a vehicle. We're not waiting for someone to have to go to hospital, or even worse, for someone to lose their lives. We're able to detect where risk exists, and we're able to take preventative steps to mitigate it before these things happen. This Road Safety Week is an opportunity to remember everyone who has been killed or seriously injured on our road, all those who've been affected by those collisions, families, friends, and also the wider communities who have had to deal with the trauma of watching this violence and this loss play out on the streets that they call home.